Navigating penalties for incomplete ISF documentation.
Welcome back to our Customs and Trade video series. Today, we'll be discussing a critical topic that every importer should be aware of: the penalties for incomplete importer security filing (ISF) documentation. Failing to provide accurate and complete ISF documentation can have serious consequences for your imports. Let's dive deeper into this subject and explore what you need to know to avoid potential penalties. First and foremost, it's crucial to understand the importance of complete and accurate ISF documentation. The ISF is a requirement imposed by U.S. Customs and Border Protection (CBP) to enhance the security of the supply chain and assess potential risks associated with imported goods. This documentation includes detailed information about the importer, the goods being imported, and the shipment itself. Failing to provide this information correctly and on time can result in penalties. So, what are the potential penalties for incomplete ISF documentation? The CBP has the authority to issue penalties for non-compliance, ranging from fines to more severe consequences such as cargo holds or even shipment refusal. The specific penalties can vary depending on the circumstances, such as the nature of the violation, the level of negligence, and the importer's compliance history. In terms of fines, the CBP has the authority to impose monetary penalties for incomplete ISF documentation. These fines can range from a few $100s to thousands of dollars per violation. It's important to note that each ISF filing is considered a separate violation, so penalties can quickly add up if multiple filings have inaccuracies or are incomplete. In addition to financial penalties, incomplete ISF documentation can also result in delays in the customs clearance process. The CBP may require additional inspections or verifications, further prolonging the time it takes for your goods to be released. These delays can have a ripple effect, causing disruptions in your supply chain and potentially impacting your business operations. To avoid penalties for incomplete ISF documentation, it is crucial to invest time and effort in ensuring accurate and complete filings. Conduct a thorough review of all required information, including supplier and manufacturer details, product descriptions, and HS codes. Consider working with a customs broker who can help you navigate the complexities of ISF filing, ensuring compliance with all necessary regulations and requirements. Implementing robust processes and documentation management systems can also contribute to compliance and reduce the risk of incomplete ISF documentation. Establish clear procedures for gathering and verifying information, and maintain accurate record-keeping. By maintaining organized and well-documented records, you can mitigate the risk of errors or omissions that may lead to penalties. Incomplete ISF documentation can lead to severe penalties, including monetary fines and delays in the customs clearance process. To avoid these consequences, invest time in ensuring accurate and complete filings, consider working with a customs broker, and implement processes for proper documentation management. By prioritizing compliance and accuracy, you can navigate the customs clearance process successfully and avoid potential penalties. Thank you for joining us today as we explored the penalties for incomplete ISF documentation. We hope you found this information valuable. Remember to subscribe and stay tuned for our upcoming videos where we'll continue to explore topics related to customs brokerage and international trade. Until then, ensure your ISF documentation is accurate and complete to avoid any penalties.